Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, top cover, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the 4 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Caution: the underside of the display panel is connected by the display panel cable. Do not move the display panel away from the display enclosure before disconnecting the cable. Rotate the display panel forwards to access the connector underneath the display panel. Peel off the retention tape from the display panel connector. Lift the display panel connector latch and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector. Remove the display panel. Replacement. Reconnect the display panel cable to the display connector behind the display panel and push the latch down to lock the cable into place. Press down on the retention tape to adhere it to the display panel connector. Place the display panel into position on the display enclosure and route the display panel cable through its routing channel. Replace the 4 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure.